For small business owners and taxpayers, one of the most inconvenient notices to receive is an IRS audit. For many people, it's not always clear right away why they were chosen for an audit. It can feel totally random, even a bit unfair, but there are things you can look out for to reduce your odds of being audited. The truth of the matter is that although your chances of being audited are small, there's still a chance that it could happen.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
For a small business, it can be a real headache that takes time and attention away from running your company. Sometimes audits are completely random. Other times, something about your return was flagged for further review, which led to the audit. Check out some of the most common causes of IRS audits so you can learn to avoid them. Math or data entry errors are easy to overlook. However, an honest mistake calculating your income or using the wrong form or formula when submitting your return is no excuse when it comes to the IRS. If it's a minor error, the IRS might simply contact you about it and ask for a correction. However, a larger one may lead to the IRS discovering other issues with your return, which could trigger an audit. Avoid math or data entry errors with the help of a professional accountant. They'll not only serve as a preparer for your taxes, but they'll also do a final check on your return to ensure that none of these sneaky mistakes get through. Small business owners use a Schedule C to report business profits and losses. While you should take every deduction that you qualify for, after all, failing to do so is basically the same as leaving money on the table, you must still be mindful of the IRS rules. The IRS compares business returns against other returns from small business owners in similar occupations and fields. If you own a car repair business and deduct 3 times the average amount of travel expenses as other car repair business owners, they'll likely notice and flag your return for a review. Other common business deductions that trigger audits include unreported income, especially from third-party payment platforms, business deductions that are deemed unusual for your occupation, and home office or vehicle deductions that include personal use. You're certainly entitled to well-deserved charitable deduction if you made generous charitable contributions. However, it should go without saying that you should never, under any circumstances, falsify donation information. Don't claim the deduction if you don't have a receipt or documentation to back up a donation. Furthermore, if your charitable deductions seem out of proportion with your reported income, that's certain to raise some flags at the IRS. For example, if you report an income of $50,000 and claim $25,000 in charitable contributions, you can bet the IRS will have some questions. Perhaps one of the easiest ways to trigger an IRS audit is to underreport your income. If you choose not to report income you made from a side gig or forget to include a W-2 form, the IRS will likely find out about it. One of the most common scenarios for underreporting income is when people fail to report earned 1099 income, which is non-wage income such as from freelancing or stock dividends. Don't forget, the IRS already knows about this income because the payer, whether that's the bank or a freelance client, also sent a copy to the IRS. Even if it's accidental, you're still on the hook for reporting all your income. Here are some common mistakes people make when reporting income. Not accounting for all W-2 income. All the more likely if you had more than one job last year. Not reporting side gig money. Excluding interest and earnings from investment or savings accounts. And not reporting capital gains on cryptocurrency trades, property sales, or stock trades. If you've been selected for an IRS audit, you have the right as a taxpayer to know why you are being audited and the right to appeal disagreements. You also have the right to representation, whether that's yourself or an authorized representative. An authorized representative could be an enrolled agent, EA, a certified public accountant, the CPA, or an attorney. At 1-800-ACCOUNTANT, our tax professionals are ready to act on behalf of small business owners who receive an IRS audit notice. With Audit Defense, we do the work for you, which includes working on your behalf to put together a strategy, gather the necessary documents and information, and provide peace of mind to ensure your rights are protected throughout the audit process. Talk to an expert today if you have questions about Audit Defense, small business taxes, or other tax-related questions. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this to be educational or informative, helpful, or entertaining, please like and subscribe, and look for 1-800-ACCOUNTANT on your social media channels of choice.